I said I did work today, yeah? And I see one video really upset me. It really disappointed me. I tell her the God truth. And I write a poem, you know. I write a poem that I put up on my channel. And it's like I say, you know what? I'm not going to lose sleep. Figure shoot a poem right now, then figure edit and all and something. Because someone who don't worth it. You understand? No, don't worth it. I'm telling you something. You see this thing when I continuously disrespect the Prime Minister of Jamaica, it needs to stop. On a serious level, it's not funny. And if you see some public figures doing it, it's just distasteful and disgusting. Somehow it's like you don't know what to use on a platform and do. Somehow it come like you just resurrect like a Lazarus Duppy. We not even remember so it exists. And coming at this time, honestly, people are die all over the world and it don't mean nothing to you. You don't know what the hell it means for somebody send them relative in a hospital. And when them send them relative in a hospital, them don't know if they must see them again. Eh? You see the hundreds and thousands of dead bodies. You don't realize what is happening in the country. I hate to see people of certain position and you understand certain public figures. You just use your platform as a weapon. As a weapon of mass destruction. Because now lead the people them astray. Nobody now bully you down, or count you down for making a point. But if you make your point, why you tell the man for SC mother for? You the man the panel levels? It's not a matter of green or orange or JLP or PMP. Me no care, me never vote yet. So it's not a political matter. And the man who lead the country and other people in the world make comparisons with him and other countries. Right? And them acknowledge Jamaica for the fast and efficient COVID-19 response of how the country and how the man are going. And instead of if you big up the man for the one little thing is like, just get at him so, and I tell him to go SC mother. You, Miss Tanya Stevens, you tell me something. You talk about say you have poor people interest at heart and the man not think about poor people because it's him you're talking because you eventually use his name in your address. And him, everybody know Most Honorable Brogard knows like stipulate the social distancing laws. So we don't need nobody for dissect. You can't come and say try to go on like you go use intelligence for nobody and make second video about whenever the man you talk to. How you did that talk to them? Yourself? Because I'm kind of concerned about your mental health, you know. So I really want to know yourself you did that talk to miss? And most devices then you did that talk to. You like you have too much sherry and brandy for drink. Girl, if you know you can't anger the right, just stop come out and talk a bag of things. You're in a social distancing, just go find one big ninja bike and sit down pan. And go on with the boom walk and nobody come try and lead the people them astray. Because when poor people go out there and catch the virus, you have money to give poor people to get medication, ma'am. Every other country in the world observe social distancing. What's special about Jamaica why them not observe it? Eh? Until now, you don't make no farmer suggestion for the PM do nothing. You just let them run your mouth like you have a verbal diarrhea. It annoys me. Yo. It annoys me for hear no. It annoys me for hear no. I'm not even the type of person who normally like come out and speak against women. But you disgust me, lady. You don't have nothing to do. Build some wig now. Build some wig. Because you really don't have nothing to do. What kind of thing that for you come out and say? Where you gone this so far? And you call a man by him first name as if you're encouraging other people to look down upon him and treat him like say them and him as squabs. I'm sorry for you understand the Jamaican term them right now, but I just have to talk it like it is because I address the Jamaican them and the Jamaican diaspora. So I have to talk bun gun language too no, for you understand. Tanya, stand at your yard. Tanya, your yard. Tanya yard. Probably for Tanya yard, you would not smoke where you smoke. Because I must something you smoke where you're going like you're an idiot, so. Why every minute you not talk about the man or talk to the man or refer anything? You don't have to one tune on this S-mother, one tune on Jamaican. You never suck on the mother. You never, yes, the breastfeeding for the first years is very good. You never hear that? It make on a brilliant breastfeeding for the first years. Someone only if you suck on the mother. Because I believe so, because someone who never suck on the mother breast. That's why they're so fool on the fully dance. On this part of the F Education Association, on the fully dance. For somebody was so lyrical like you, what me always admire, and I said, no man, the young lady writes some really nice thing. It was so disappointing to hear your address. It's like, you see if you start with the S mother, I don't even listen to the rest of what you have to say. You turn me off. You're despicable. You sick my stomach.